Lots of cough syrups are available in market. Some of them are useful in dry cough and some are for the wet cough. But Rajasthan Aushadhalaya Tuss Syrup cough syrup is useful in any type of cough, dry or wet. First ingredient of Tuss Syrup cough syrup is Sunthi, which is digestive and antitussive. Second ingredient is Mulethi, which is also antitussive. Next is Tulasi, which is antitussive and a bronchodilator. Tulsi has a very potent germicidal, fungicidal, antibacterial and antibiotic properties that are great for resolving cough problems. Next is Haridra. It is also anti-allergic and antitussive. Haridra helps in immune modulation by correcting metabolism, enabling free circulation of nutrients and oxygen to every cell. The next ingredient used is Pudina, which is antitussive and a bronchodilator. Mint plants contain an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent called rosmarinic acid, which is very effective in relieving seasonal allergy. It is also help in increasing immunity. The next ingredient used is Vasa, which is useful in cough. It helps increasing the Vat and reduces the Kapha. Next is Kapoor, which is also very helpful in cough. The product has no added sugar and the only thing used is Mishri. Because Mishri is a Kashahara property and it is helpful in cough, so Tuss Syrup cough syrup is a balanced herbal formulation with anti-asthmatic, anti-allergic and antitussive properties. So useful in cough, allergy, bronchitis and breathing related problems.